Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Plug the HP laptop into power and sign in with an administrator account so permissions are available. Once done, make sure you have your Microsoft account password or the Bitlocker recovery key ready. You'll need it if Windows requests decryption authorization. Now open Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and select Device Encryption or Bitlocker settings depending on your build. This starts the process. You'll see the current encryption state and options to turn off protection or suspend encryption. You now choose Manage Bitlocker, or if device encryption appears, tap Turn Off. When prompted, enter your administrator password or paste the Bitlocker recovery key to confirm you own the drive. This authentication prevents unauthorized decryption. Once authorized, click Turn Off Bitlocker and then Confirm to begin decrypting. Decryption runs in the background. Leave the device powered and connected. Monitor progress in the Bitlocker control panel. Larger drives and SSDs with data-intensive states will take longer, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. Finish by verifying Bitlocker shows off or decryption complete in settings. Once finished, restart the HP to ensure system components recognize the change. After reboot, confirm file access and that startup behavior is normal. Remove any temporary suspension if you used it earlier. If decryption stalls, try entering the recovery key in Windows Recovery Environment and run chkdsk from the command prompt. Or check HP BIOS/firmware Bitlocker/TPM settings. Sometimes firmware security blocks decryption.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.